Hey Tabafethu, this video is brought to you by EasyBets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign-up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango.
Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Betway Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 0, Cape Town City 0. I'm joined by Seluleko.
Still,
Yeah.
how's it?
I'm Nandi, remember?
I know. Abafana badlale kahle Steve.
Quality.
Inkinga yami yodwa Steve.
Yini?
Angifuni ukutshela manga.
Khuluma nami.
Awukwazi ukukhipha uDuprez Steve.
Yes.
Faka uChivaviro.
Kanja.
Ayikho le nto.
Yes.
Ayikho ngiyashota.
Yeah.
Yabona uma ufaka uChivaviro?
Yes.
Ngiyashota.
Automatically.
Sangivele ngiyashota.
Yes.
And kunento eyi-1 engifuna uyibonga Steve.
Khuluma futhi.
Uyabona umsimanga?
Yeah.
Ufike wayibamba leya position.
Ugiven.
Bese ubuya ngicela.
Yeah.
Alo mfana ngimazi ibhola ulithathapi.
Ayi, uthatha phesheya.
Umshini ngikho konke Steve, angifuni ukukhuluma kakhulu. Ngikho konke nje Steve engizokusho today unabi akwazi ukufaka Chivaviro must leave. Yes, Steve. Yes.